A lot of people ask me, what case do I need? What case is the right for me? If you already gathered all your parts, if you already made your choice, what motherboard, what graphics card, what RAM, what processor, but you still don't know what case you want to get, well, watch the entire video, because I made this video just for you. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe because I got more tech videos coming up. Hot tech videos, buddy. One of the things that I look for when I buy a case, it's to be able to see the inside of my components. So I buy most of my cases with a windowed side panel. Number 2, the front panel, it's very important. Right here to the left I am using a NCXT H440 and to the right I am using a Fractal Design ArcMidi R2. The Fractal Design has an open filter front panel that allows more air into the components. This case shipped with the fence backwards. I know that is a little weird, I'll fix that. On the other hand, the NCXT H440 is an example of a closed front panel, not allowing a lot of air into the case. Looking at the bottom of the front panel of these cases, we can see that the Fractal Design has a better airflow intake in comparison to the H440, only allowing air from the side and the bottom openings. Remember, always buy a case that has an open front panel. Let's talk about the top now, and what you should look forward when selecting and looking to buy a case. Well, I prefer an open top as well, due to the fact that you can use it as an exhaust of air and as an air intake. We need both options. With the NCXT H440, we can only do it one way, as an exhaust. Remember, I've experienced with this case. Now, as you can see right here on the image, you want an open top with a filter. It is very important. The NCXT H440 only gives us the option of push configuration as an exhaust. That really sucks. The bottom of the case is the least important to me. Just make sure that you have air filters if you have the option for fans, and that the case is off the ground at least 1 or 2 inches. Tips: the inside of the case, it is personal. As well, you can custom build whatever you like inside, such as custom water loops, paint, add LED lights, you name it. Use your imagination. There is a link to a video where I use the H440 and I name it Snow White. All white build. Link is on the description. For the Fractal Design, I got some parts being delivered to my house because I am building an all black build. That is going to be super easy. The other side of the case, where we have to do cable management, is very important as well. The H440 has a very limited space. The Fractal Design is about the same. Make sure to buy a case that has enough space for cable management. Believe me, cable management sucks, and more if you don't use a full modular power supply. If you want to avoid all the drama about cable management, do what I did. Get a full tower case. You can do so much. Expand your imagination. Right here I got the CORSAIR GRAPHITE 760T. I love this case so much. Oh, and I painted the front panel to make it sexier. Full review of this case will be down below in the description. Go check it out, guys. I own 2 of these cases. It is so easy to access the inside of the case, kind of like a car. When you open the door, this case allows so much airflow, and I have installed a 200mm fan if I ever decide to go SLI. That's another topic. This gaming rig that you are watching right now, it's going to be for sale next month. Stay tuned for the review of the turbine. Everything is custom painted and custom sleeved white. You'll love to see this video. The cable management on this case, the 760T, it is super badass. So much space. I love it. CORSAIR, my respect to you on this build and the way that you designed this case. I will end this video telling you, buy a case of your choice that has a filter front panel and open filter top as well. I hope that this video helped you selecting your case and have answered a few of your questions. If you have any comments or suggestions, questions, please comment down below and share with us. You are more than welcome to. This was your host Creeper24 with Baby Laughing Productions. Thank you for watching this video. I love you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment and share your thoughts. They are very important. I'll see you guys next time.